Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to add a picture above other picture without using any third-party apps in Samsung smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my home screen of my Samsung smartphone. So firstly what you need to do is just open the gallery application on your respective Samsung smartphone and say let me select one image. So I'll just try to select one image. So I'll just open this. So on the below you will see here one pencil like icon. Just tap on it. Now at the bottom you will see one smiley like icon. Just tap on it. Now here you will see one option, stickers. Just tap on it. And now at the right bottom you will see a gallery app icon. Just tap on it. Now just select any picture whichever you want to add. So let me select this. Now you will get some options like snap to save, select manually. You can just select manually also if you want to select manually, and there is a deselect also if you want to select all the entered pictures, or you can just select manually if you want to select the particular area or something. So I'll just simply select the enter picture. So after selecting your respective picture, you can see below done. Just tap on it. Now you can see here you can just resize it just by sliding upward to the angle. You can just rotate it using a single finger. You can place it wherever you want to keep. So I will just keep it on the center. So once you are done, you can just click on save. You can see here some options, save over the original. So just click on save. Now you can see here the other picture is being added above the respective picture. So if you want to revert it back, just tap on this pencil icon again, and on the above you can see revert. Just click on revert to original, and click on save if you want to restore it back. So using these tricks you can easily add a picture above other picture without using any third-party apps in Samsung smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.